Today I'm going to be showing one of my favorite slime, only one, which I only have because the other from my last week videos, if you don't see it, go check out them. And they just got harder and harder and I can't believe myself so bad. And so today I'm here to show you my new slime, one of them. And before we get to the new slime on the video, I just want you to smash that subscriber and click on the notification so you don't miss any videos, and comment if you like slime. Thumbs up if you like slime. Let's get started. This is my slime, you guys. Whoa. I'll make the camera bigger. That's my brother's finger. That's why I didn't want it. I made the camera bigger.
Papa.
Look at this slime. So precious. It can be so famous, but not that really famous. Slime is famous, but I love this slime so much. I love this slime so much. And it's so stretchy. And it's so stretchy. Look, guys. You can poke it. Look, it will be so satisfying. Okay, wait, guys. Look, guys. Like down if you like slime.
Yeah.
And give me some comments if you what kind of slime you like the best. Fluffy slime, any slime. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the fart one. Okay, put my camera big and let's make it smaller a little bit. Okay, now let's take it out and stretch it out. Stretch. It really stretch out. It is so long. Look, but you guys can't really see. Okay, let's put it into a cupcake. So let's do it. Let's get on to the video on the cupcake maker. You like my cupcake, guys? Comment if you like my cupcake. Now it's time for this. That's my baby brother who's always calling my dad. So satisfying, guys.
Papa,